In this lecture, we will go over the investing strategy of finding support levels in order to add more cryptocurrency to your portfolio. Support levels are certain price levels that provide support to the price of a cryptocurrency as it falls. After a support level is reached, typically the trend reverses and the price continues to climb higher. This means that the price is more likely to bounce off certain levels rather than fall through them. But if a support level fails, it instantly becomes a resistance level, and the price typically continues to fall until another support level is reached. Using support levels can help you locate great entry points to add cryptocurrency to your portfolio. Finding a support level involves a little bit of technical analysis, which we will go over shortly. In order to be notified when the price of cryptocurrency touches a support level, you can use your Coinbase app to set price alerts. You can also set price alerts at resistance levels for sell notifications, but we will discuss this more in the trading section of the course. Once the price you set is hit, you will receive a text notification and you can either sell or purchase more depending on your strategy. This is a great way to help protect your holdings and also to add to your portfolio during wild price swings and high volatility. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart and go over how to find basic support levels. To find support levels for Bitcoin, we're going to have to look at the price history. The best way to view the past price action is to use a candlestick chart. Finding supports and resistances actually requires the use of technical analysis, which we will cover in more detail in the next section. Candlestick charts, like the Bitcoin chart here, makes it easy to find these price levels and even allow us to add our own support lines. So let's find some of the support levels for Bitcoin and see how to use them to add cryptocurrency to our portfolio. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the tools on the left hand side and go up and select the horizontal line so we can add it to the chart to mark our price levels. If you look down here between June and August of last year, you can see that the price bounced off around the $2,000 level twice. This looks like a great place to add our first support line. Between August and October, you can see that the price settled on the $4,000 level, then broke down below it, and then broke back above it. The $4,000 support level failed to hold at first, but then it bounced back. So let's add our horizontal line. There we go. And remember that when the price is above the line is a support, but when the price is below the line is a resistance. And the last support level I'm going to show on this example is the one around the $6,000 level. The price broke above $6,000, came back down and tested it, shot way up in a breakout, then came all the way back down and tested it. Let's make the support lines a little bit thicker so we can see them easier. There we go. So now that we have our support levels set, let's see if we can get a better view of our entry points. So when the price bounced off the line here, then came back down and tested it, this would have been a good entry point. The next support level formed around 4,000 as the price shot up, went back below 4,000, then went above it again. This would have been another good point to add to your portfolio. Next we had a little resistance around 6,000, but then it broke through, came down and tested it, and formed the support. The price then shot way up and never really formed another solid support. Since there was no solid supports, it dropped all the way back down to test the $6,000 level again. This would have been an excellent time to add to your position, and now it looks like it's on the way back up. So unless you're sitting in front of a Bitcoin chart all day, you need a way to be notified when a support level is hit. Luckily, the Coinbase app we downloaded in a previous section has the solution. Your Coinbase mobile app actually allows you to set price alerts when a support level you select is reached. The Coinbase app will alert you whenever the price of Bitcoin goes above or below whatever price level you set. So let's pull out our smartphone and go over how to set price alerts on the Coinbase app. Once you have your smartphone, go ahead and open up Coinbase. Once you open up the Coinbase app, you want to look at the menu down at the bottom. Look at the third option and click on Alerts. Here you can set price alerts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. So after you use the chart to find a support level, you can come here to set a price alert to be notified when that level is hit. If you wish to turn off a price alert, simply click the buttons on the right. To delete an alert, slide it to the left and click Delete. So to add a new alert, look at the top right and click the plus sign. You can set to be notified when the price goes above or below whatever price you set. I'm gonna select to be notified when the price goes below $10,099 to hopefully get an alert before this video's over. And voila, we have a price alert. Bitcoin just went below $10,099. We can either press OK to close the box, or we have the options to buy or sell at this price. If this was a support level we selected, we could click the buy button and be taken directly to the purchase section of Coinbase. So that's it for finding support levels and creating price alerts. I'll see you in the next video.